Hey guys, I used an exclusive strategy, a multi-currency approach, safe money management, and of course my extensive experience trading in the financial markets. As a result, I created an expert advisor for fully automated trading called Bomber Corporation. I'm confident that this profit machine can provide steady growth for your capital. But let's take it step by step. So guys, at the heart of this expert advisor is my proprietary indicator for spotting and trading divergences called Divergence Bomber. This indicator scans the price chart and looks for divergences between the MACD indicator and the price chart. The name of this indicator is Divergence Bomber. It has held a leading position among indicators on the MQL5 market for a long time and has a pretty good rating. Many people like it, and personally I do too, by the way. So, friends, this trading strategy became the foundation for creating the Bomber Corporation Expert Advisor, which trades completely automatically. Next, friends, using my extensive experience in automated trading, I added several super ingredients to this expert advisor. Namely, the first is the multi-currency principle. The Bomber Corporation Expert Advisor is capable of trading a large number of different assets. To start, I added a portfolio of 15 different assets. In this way, we get a super diversified trading portfolio. If you take the profitability charts of all the recommended trading assets and combine them, you get a gorgeous growth chart with minimal drawdown and excellent profitability. Guys, we can easily expect deposit growth of around 200% per year with minimal drawdown. And by the way, we can set up trading so that the maximum drawdown does not exceed 5%. Secondly, I added a feature to protect every trade with a physical stop-loss order. This provides your capital with reliable protection. Also, the Bomber Corporation Advisor uses dynamic stop-loss and take profit, which makes its trading algorithm more flexible and more profitable. And thirdly, this expert advisor can be further developed. You can add new interesting trading features, new trading assets, as well as the ability to trade on additional timeframes. So friends, if you want to significantly expand your trading portfolio and ensure stable growth for your capital, then Bomber Corporation is exactly what you need. See you soon.